Yeah, man, this is part 3. I keep stopping the video, man. I don't know what's going on. It's a Phillips screw right here. You gotta get that out. Yeah, with a Phillips screwdriver. We're trying to get to the bottom of this. See that? That's what it stuck run to the plastic. We're trying to get this plastic up some kind of way. So, see this? It's a little clip right here. I push it in, and it seems like it want to come up. But on this side, it seems like it's pushed in. Yeah, so let me see. Okay, that might not. It got that little back piece in there, but I think this piece should be able to come out, so I can get this white plastic out. So let me get a little screwdriver and see. I can pry that part up. See that? It comes out. It comes out with the cable still attached in the back for this cable. I don't want that cable. I want this cable. So this cable running this little groove right here. So now we're trying to see about this plastic. Okay, you got a little clip right here. You pull that off. A little clip right here. Yeah, the brake got some clips right here. You pop them up. And then they got more clips all around here. Look like. Yeah, this whole little plastic got clips. Yeah, got clips. So I guess what happened is, let me check that out right quick. Be back. Yeah, I figured it out, man. Look, you see this right here? This is pushed to the plastic right here. You got to get that out. And when you get that out, then everything frees up to take this out. See that? Yeah. So it just clips, but this is the piece that you got to worry about. This right here that goes into that. Now you see it's right here. Now this the cable that we want. See, now we could get to that cable. Here's the new cable. We're going to replace it. So let me see. It goes. I think that way. Yeah, that way. So all you do is got a pin clip. Pull this clip back to you. You can use a flathead. Push it back to you. I don't want to stick myself. Just push it back. See that? And it's free. That's all you gotta do, and pull it up. Run the other one to the same hole and connect it that way. This the part. Pull this one out. See that? It goes in that little hook. Pull it out that hook. And then pull it out this hole. Push the other one back in that hole, the new one, and hook it in that corner. Put it back in this hole, and that pink part, snap it back over there. So that, now it's done. All you gotta do is put this back together. The way you take it out, just put it right back over it. This, watch this. Bring it out that way. You don't want to clamp it in there, but just guide it back on where it needs to go. Don't forget, you got that. You got that little steel thing right here. You got to guide that back in, because that's going to be your hard part. See that? Boom. If you guide that back in, everything will line up. See that? Everything will line back up. See that? Make sure this is there. Your new cable is in. Now all you got to do is get your get that screwdriver you had right here, and fill it, put it back in, and tighten it back up. And we're ready to put this back in the car. If your little black cover came off, put it back. It goes on this one. Alright. Like I said, if this come off, just guide it back in those holes first. And then flip it over. And then run this cable back. See this here? Hold on, let me put this back right. This right here goes back in that little hole. See that little hole? This. Okay, let's put this back in. This go in this hole. That go in that hole. This go on the side. This go in that little snap here. Okay, you snap it in. You flip it over. This goes down. This go inside this groove first. See that? You put that inside that groove. That's where it lays. You push it in there. This goes straight up. So this stay in that little groove right here. See that? That's the way it came out the door. That's the way it's gonna go back in. It's gonna be up like this, and this gonna be coming this way. Alright, so this is the way it is. See that? So you put that back in, and we're ready to put this back in the car. Alright? People think this is an easy job. This ain't no easy job. You gotta do a lot. You know? People gotta understand, hey, if you want the work done right, you gotta pay for it. Now we're about to put it back in the vehicle. It's gonna go, see that? That's gonna go up. This is gonna go, I'm lying. This is gonna go in. It's gonna be like this. This is gonna go up. Alright. But this cable is gonna come back this way. Alright, you'll see. Alright. Let me put it in. Put yours in. Okay, see that? That's the way it's gonna go. This cable that's hanging down gonna go up top. It could move back and forth, but this is how it's gonna go. This go up. The cable that I'm fixing to that, that's that. Goes to the inside door latch. So now you just put it in. We're gonna put it in. But when you put it in, this latch is gonna come back through here and come back on this side. Alright? Alright, I'll show you in a minute. Okay, when you're putting it in, like I said, you're gonna put it in here. And when you put it in and you get it going up, because you got to put that white box back there, because that's where it screws in at, right here. You know, that's the first thing you have to do. You're going to put it in, but you have to start those screws. See those? That's the, you're going to have to start them first. When you start there, then the next thing you do, you're going to push this. This is going to be in here. You're going to bring it down and push it back through here. This is how it goes. So that the plastic deal got some grooves. It goes in right there and right here. Put them in so you can have the control of this cable. This cable here, see that? It's a lock. This square goes over it before it goes in. You see that? It goes in a little groove. It got little lips on it. So you got to make sure those lips are in those grooves. And the small screw goes up here, the Phillip head. The other screw, this screw, goes right here. It goes back in the plastic to hold the plastic back in. So you put those in, and then you also tighten those screws, those three. And then you remember the cable? The cable was ran through this hole. It came through this hole. And you see this one even come with a new plug-in. It plugs in right here, see that? So you could just push it in. I'm pushing the door back so it could stop. And boom, see that? That's a new plug-in. And I got this off of Amazon, man. My buddy was crying, so I try to get him some parts that don't cost him that much money. And now here goes your latch. You know, they think this is easy work, man. If they come out here and they ain't out here doing it, so it ain't easy work, you know. And you see these plugs? Go back and plug these back in. That's what these. They're two different plugs, so you can't mess them up. So that, go ahead and plug it in. Then this little plug in, it goes back in this hole. Just put it back in that hole and snap it in just like that. We're almost there. See that? It's back up. Now don't forget that 10mm bolt. That's gonna be for this, but we're not gonna do that yet. We want to go in here and hook this back in. See that? Put it back in that hole and lock this on it. So right now, let me see. It's that way. So it goes back this way. Let me see. Where you at? I'm trying to look at it in the camera. But the open end, you see the open end on this side? So it goes like this. When you push this down in that hole, see that? This will latch on it that way. You feel me? So put that in that hole just like that, and then this black latch right here comes across it like that and latch. Okay, same thing for that one up top. This one back here, I'll put that one up there in the green spot. All right, go ahead and do that. Okay, see, it's connected. What I did was I pushed it in the hole. I took a pretty long screwdriver and I pushed it from out here. And also this one you could do by hand. Right there, it's not hard. Make sure you tighten them up. Then now we're gonna bring this back down. But like I tell you, make sure this is in that groove. See that red? This needs to go back in that groove right here. It needs to go back in that groove. Push it back in that groove. And then the bolt right here will line up. It's not lining up because it needs to go back up in there. Otherwise your window would have problems. Set that up in that groove and then put that bolt in. Now all you do, you see the plastic you'll pull off, just put it back. It's gonna stick. It's gonna stick back. Just put the pockets in first, push them in first, and then push that back. But that's how it look. We're about to put the door panel back on and hook this up to the switch and put everything back together. All right, I'm trying to see if I can put this up. Be back. We're about to put the door panel back in. Make sure this is locked down, because you don't put this up, it goes up. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and connect the latch back right here. You remember when I showed you how I did it? You just do the opposite way of putting it back. That's it. Yeah, I'm not gonna film that. I already did that earlier. Go ahead and put that latch back in. Lock it on there. And push that little clip in that latch. Remember I showed you the part of the bolt? Okay. Get back in. Bring all these through here. You don't want to leave them at the bottom. And remember, connect back that bulb. Remember that bulb down here? Put it back in the bottom and push the tab back in. Yeah, screw it in and then put the tab back in the panel. Hold up. Go ahead and do that. I'm gonna put this on pause. I don't want to have you looking at the video. Yeah, like I said, put those bulbs back in and the snap in, and then you lift the door up over this. Guide it by this. When this is on, you can get the door, see that, and push it down. everything lines up. And all you gotta do is go around and push those in. Alright? Go ahead and connect the connectors back on this. That's the main switch. Connect it back, and then just put it back in here. It just snaps in. The hole's gonna line up. You're gonna be able to just go down and snap it. So that just snap it all the way around. It's down. Also, put that Phillips head screw back in here. Remember? Put that screw back in here. And your two Phillips head screws right here. Tighten them back in. Yeah, tighten those screws. Those two. These two. Put them in. And that is how you replace your door, driver door, inside, what you call it, latch, to open the door. Driver cable, the cable for the inside door handle. Driver door handle cable. And then when you're done putting these two bolts in, don't forget to put this back in. It goes in this groove. You'll snap it in. Also put that one back down there. And don't forget to snap that back in. Right here. Right here. It goes just like this. And you just bam, snap it in. That's it. Like I said, man, subscribe, like, comment, and share, man. I'm coming out with these videos like bangers, man. You know what I mean? Big up to the Virgin Islands, St. Croix, St. Thomas, St. John. Keep it and say so. Yeah, man. Till the next one. More time. It's 3 parts to this video because I don't understand why we're doing. I keep stopping the video, so I did 3 different videos. I'm going to try to see if I can edit them. I'm new to this, so bear with me, boys. 3 videos. I'm going to post the 3 videos. Look for them.